How to whiten dark neck at home. We pamper our face with regular facials and massage treatments at the salon. However, we don't take enough care of our neck. And, as a result, it becomes dull and pigmented. We tend to ignore our neck while cleansing our face. Over time, dirt and pollutants accumulate and damage the skin around your neck. And, even if you do wash and scrub your neck, you might forget to moisturize. This results in dark patches, wrinkles, and other blemishes. What causes a dark neck? The foremost reason for a dark neck is poor hygiene. Other factors that contribute to this are exposure to the sun for long periods, environmental pollutants, chemicals in cosmetics or skin care products, obesity and/or diabetes, autoimmune disorders i.e. lichen planus pigmentosus, fungal infections, Tinea versicolor, hormonal conditions like acanthosis nigricans. Eczema. Turmeric. For Dark Neck Turmeric brightens the skin tone and also repairs damaged skin cells with its healing properties. You will need 1 to 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. What you have to do: add turmeric powder to yogurt and mix well. Apply this paste on your neck and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. How often you should do this? Do this every day for quick results. Shea Butter. For dark neck, both shea butter and cocoa butter are very hydrating and nourishing for the skin. They contain high amounts of healthy fatty acids that keep the skin soft and supple. These butters also even out the skin tone, especially where you have dark patches, as they contain vitamin E and vitamin A that help in depigmentation. You will need shea butter or cocoa butter. What you have to do: apply some organic shea butter or cocoa butter on a clean neck. Massage for 3 to 4 minutes. Do not rinse it off. How often you should do this? Do this every night before going to bed. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.